What is this video about anyways? This is a jacuzzi tub, and I just fixed the pump from not working. Okay, but that's not what this video is about. What is this video about? Well, I'm home alone for the weekend, and my wife has told me that one of the garbage disposals out here needs to be fixed. It's humming, and we've got two sinks here, okay? That's the garbage disposal that's humming. Okay, we've got a garbage disposal over here that works, and we happen to have a garbage disposal over here, an incinerator. Okay, here's the switch over here. Do I dare press this? I have not looked at this yet. It could be something stuck in there. I'm going to press this. Hear that? It's just humming. That's the garbage disposal humming. That tells me the drum is not turning. Okay, there's probably something caught in this drum. We don't use this very often. I'll bet somebody dropped something in there. It could be a dime, it could be a penny, it could be a bottle cap, it could be a plastic water bottle cap, it could be something as simple as that. Okay, and so if you want to watch that, stick around. So I've got my construction light at the ready. I've got some Allen wrenches here in case I need those. Before I do anything, I'm going to reach my hand down in there, but actually before I do that, I'm going to unplug the garbage disposal. It's always a good idea. You don't want to put your hand down in something and then find out something turns on accidentally or whatever, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is unplug it. And I'm going to remember that that plug was on the bottom plug, because usually when they wire garbage disposals, they'll have power for the garbage disposal on one outlet, and the top on this particular case should be powered at all times, and the wall switch would only be controlled for one of the outlets. That's how generally they do it, okay? Not always. Sometimes I've even seen it where an electrician has powered that whole thing for a switch. So when the switch is off, the top of that electrical duplex outlet is not going to work at all. You know, you don't want to do stuff like that. Okay, so now I've got it shut off, okay? So I'm saying it's safe for me to put my hand down there, okay? And like I said, I don't normally use this garbage disposal. We don't normally use it, and maybe that's the reason why it's stuck. I'm feeling different things there, and it almost feels like rust, a slight buildup of rust along the side. I think that's what it is. Okay, because I'm not feeling any anything next to the outside of the drum area. I'm just feeling with my fingers, and everything feels like it's okay. Yeah, I think that's what it is. I think it's just because we very seldom use this garbage disposal, okay? And so how am I going to fix that? Well, hey, what we're going to do is we're going to get underneath there, and on most garbage disposals, there's a hole in the bottom of a garbage disposal, and it's good for a Allen wrench. And lots of times I'm just looking to see if I can find one. Lots of times you'll see one of those little goodies under your sink somewhere. You know, I don't know if I'm gonna, I don't know, maybe I'll Maybe I'll look for it, and sometimes it'll be taped up here, be taped on the side, and it's a little wrench. If I can find it, I'll show you what it looks like, okay? I'm going to take a few minutes and see if I can't find it in either one of those. If not, I've got an Allen wrench right here. Be right back, show you what we do next. You can fix this. I know you can.